Yo. Yo, family. How's it going, guys? How's everyone doing? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Hope you're having a good day so far. Just finished up the first pre-New York stream for the group. Hey Emma, hey Elizabeth, hey Richard. Let's play some tunes. Vlogger music. Hey Joanne, Zang. Hey Louie, Abby, Dan. What is this? We need to find a proper playlist that we can just play every time. Synthwave. Let's play Synthwave. Alright. Let's think of this. Yeah, this will be good. Good afternoon, Sadiq, Sam, Mark, Wagwan, Dexter, Hasbullah. Your family. Right. Okay, so just finished up the first pre-New York stream. Now we're live on YouTube. Like if you're ready to get started. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. You know the YouTube business. Hate to ask. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Click that bell. I'm live every single day, 2:30 p.m. GMT for the New York session. Now that that's out of the way, we can get straight into the charts. As you know, I'm 2 for 2 today. If you're in the Discord anyway, you'll know that. Let's look at the journal. So you can see we took a trade this morning on GBP/JPY, caught a nice 1.6R, and this is what it looked like. Bit messy. I used 15 5-minute fair value gap being respected along with a higher time frame draw on liquidity. Then I went down to the 1 minute and used an IFVG for my entry, hence this little small box here. Took that, almost got caught in a manipulation, but I knew there was a fair value gap here on the 15, so I put my stop loss a little bit above that. Played out nicely. Then we caught a nice 1.2R, 1.3%. Risked a little bit over 1% here, but this was Elizabeth, if she's here. If you're here, Elizabeth, let us know. You spoke about this. Abby, you spoke about this as well. We didn't take your setup though because we needed that 15-minute IFVG, which we got here on Elizabeth's setup. Nicely went down and hit TP. Easy dub, you know, about what 3% is that? 2.9% up for today. This week we're up 4.4%. As you can see, there's a nice little winning streak starting to kick off here. I think I took this on the 1 minute. I took a 1 minute trade here, which is very annoying. I just kind of got lazy and didn't journal it. But if you're in the, I'll go back to the Discord and I'll figure this out. I will do the research, do my homework to get this in. Same with the Bitcoin trades. They need to be there really. We will put those back in for you, or in there for you. Yeah, nice work, Elizabeth. Why not? Anything else is a bonus. You know, you can spend that how you want. We will, Jovan, in a second. Hello, Rick. How's it going? Like up the stream if you haven't already, guys. Like up the stream if you haven't already. Also, before we get into the actual trades, I just want to say I'm going to be starting a psychology series. There's a few. We're going to be back up on the YouTube business, okay? A lot of things coming on here. We got the weekly. We're going to be doing weekly longer videos. They may be streams. They're probably not going to be streams. They're probably just going to be videos. Weekly, we're going to be doing like 30, 60-minute videos, in-depth guides to something, you know, raw, uncut, none of that fancy editing and stuff like that. That's every weekend. Then in the week, every week, we're starting a psychology series. The first episode of that is out today, in a few hours after the stream. 2 hours, so 7 p.m, I think it is, or 5 p.m. GMT, something like that. That's a quick video. It's psychology series, you know, it's going to be step-by-step psychology from the basics to the most advanced stuff, but it's very important you watch the basics, and you would know that if you went into the live lectures that we did a few weeks ago. But that's going to be starting. So we got the we got the longer form videos on the weekend. This about quick psychology series once a week, nine videos once a week, midweek. Then we also will have a vlog coming soon. You know, first ever vlog that I've ever done, ever. We're going to be doing a, you know, Cyprus tour the villa, day in the life type shit. See how it goes. Yeah, nice work, Elizabeth. Nice work, Elizabeth. But yeah, keep your eyes peeled for that, guys. YouTube business up and running again. Now, let's get into the charts, okay? Oh wow, gold bull TP hit. Nice. We didn't get. Oh, we got a technical close. Just here. Not something I'd want to take. Also, I would have took TP here. It's a good day. It is a good day. Good day, Marilyn. Type shot. Good trade, like good analysis. Just got to be a bit more patient there as well. You know, I would have sat this one out. I'm not gonna lie. I probably wouldn't have took this. But let's get into it, guys. Let's look at a position now. Okay, like up the stream if you haven't already. Let's start on the daily on GBPJPY. Quick recap of the analysis that we did in the pre-New York stream for the group for the course members. Now, in here, you can see we took out this high to the left-hand side. We take that out. We then retrace to an imbalance, which is this one here, which we disrespect. Therefore, we got to take out the lows, which are these lows. So, you know, it's slightly messy. Then we retrace. No fair value gap to retrace to. Looks like we finished retracing, so we really would come down and target these lows here. Bit messy here. I think every market really in the past few days has been really, really, really messy. Zeng, it looks like your short position's playing out here. We got that 4 hour fair value gap after taking out this low, needs to retrace back to it. Looks like it has done that, although I would expect a deeper push overall. On the 15-minute, pretty nice consolidation after a very quick move to the downside. Now if we go to the 5-minute here, you can see we had a nice IFVG form just before we took out this high here, though. We do eventually push down to take out this one, low. Before we took out this low, we do eventually push down and take this one out. I guess we kind of missed that move. We spoke about it in the pre-New York stream, but I didn't want to take it because of the low here. You know, it's not really worth doing, because if we take profits down here, have our stops above here, we'd have to then manage the trade when we get to this low, which isn't worth doing. I guess now we'd be secure though. We'd manage that trade again somewhat around this fair value gap here, but I haven't took this, so. But nice work, Zeng, if you're still in that. Although honestly, I still stand like, you know, I've still got that point, like I thought price should have come up a bit deeper than that into this imbalance, but it looks like there's no trade here on GJ. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's just messing around again. No clear bias on the daily. It's just been very, very messy here. If we get rid of all this, you can see there's not much going on at all. We've just been floating around the same price for the past few days. We took out this low here, yeah. Take out that low, we need to retrace to a fair value gap. The nearest one I can see is this. Very small, but still valid. We're still kind of bullish here on Bitcoin. If we go to the 4 hour on Bitcoin, you can see a similar scenario, I guess. But we've respected this one. So there's kind of like 2 cycles here going on at the same time. We've took this high out right here. Then we need to retrace to a fair value gap. There's 2, but there's not one on a higher time frame, so you'd go to the furthest away one, which is this one. We bounce into that, respect it, so therefore we would expect price to push up like so. Now not only that, but we've also got in the move down, we have a fair value gap that was formed, which was respected. We then take out the low again, which means we then have to retrace. So we could look for buys on Bitcoin here. If we go down to the 15-minute, it looks like we are pushing up slightly, quite quick as well. If we go to the 5-minute, there's no IFVG entry model here, so it's not really worth doing. But if you see it, you can take it. There's buys make sense on Bitcoin at the moment. There is a 15-minute high that got took out just then, though. Gold. What's going on gold? A little bit bearish too, we take out this high here, take out the high on the 4 hour, a little bit more sustainable, but still taking out the high, need to retrace back down to this fair value gap over here. If we go to the 1 hour, you can see IFVG is formed right here. Maybe not on that one. Definitely this one. My mistake there. I assumed it was, but technically not. Go down to the 15. Looks like we might be respecting this unmitigated one here. Just get rid of all this. I guess there's not much to this. If we have a fair value gap here, if we close above this, leaving behind that fair value gap and then don't work back into it, we could take that. If we make a fair value gap here that's bullish, inverse it, we can then take that sell position to the downside, and that would make perfect sense. Hey Michael, how's it going? Nice work, son. We could use the 5-minute IFVG here. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of this trade? Now, I'm not saying we're going to take this, but what do you think? What do you guys think of this trade? Let me go on my YouTube on my phone. Anyone? No one thinks anything? Is this good or bad? What is this song? I mean, let's see how this goes, guys. We're going to take this if we get the IFVG. Trendline breakout trading, I mean, if it works, use it. If you're finding profitability with it, if you're watching someone who's found profitability with it, use it. But I don't use it. I use trend lines for liquidity sometimes. But that's about it. Let's see how the IFEG. Let's see if this forms an IFEG. If it forms one, we'll take it. And it looks something like this. As long as we disrespect this in this candle, we'll be alright to take it. If we respect it, we're going to write it off. Pushing straight up off of it. Like up the stream if you haven't already, guys. Let's get to 20 likes. Oh wow, bouncing straight up off of this. Yes, there is a small delay on the stream, Adam. A small delay. I think it's about 10-20 seconds. Well, it's not small, but I think there is a delay, definitely. It's about 20 seconds, I think, on YouTube. Michael Higgins. There you go, as Emma's just said. But if you want my handle, I will type it in the Discord on my burner account on the YouTube, joshwilliams.fx. There you go. So this is my burner account. Oh wow, gold's completely bounced up. This is why you gotta wait for that IFEG, guys. You don't assume things here. Wow. Well, there you go, Asbullah. That's played out for you, I think. Just gotta wait for that confirmation. No worries, Michael. But as Emma said, like, you know, I don't really friend people first. So, disclaimer for anyone else who's watching this as well. You know, I don't add you first. I don't message you first. If you're gonna have a conversation with me on Discord on private, more often than not, it's because you've messaged me first. So if someone messages you pretending to be me, it's a scam. You know, if they want you to invest in something, if I want you to put thousands of dollars into this broker or something to do with crypto, it's a scam. Okay. Hey, Big Deeds, how's it going? Completely reversed here on gold, so that position's completely invalid now. Ooh, Euro USD looks good from the 5. looks a little bit messy here. Yeah, not the best in terms of bias. Not the best, really. We don't have to hope 4 hour comes up and takes ERL twice if we're going to get a good trade out of this. I don't really know. Gotta go early today, guys. Enjoy the rest of the stream. See you next time. See you later, Emma. Thanks for joining us. Have a good rest of your day. Yusuf, the fair value gap will be respected. Bullish target. Louis. Yeah, Louis, come on. Let's get to 20. Oh, we're on 20. Let's get to 30, guys. Come on. Let's do it. Let's get to 30. 30 likes here. Tell you what I'm going to do is, so I can actually read the comments, I'm going to sit on the laptop and just go on YouTube on my laptop. Look at this. This looks broken, doesn't it? I was scared the first time I did it. It's touchscreen as well. Oh, but it's Samsung. Oh wow, USD. Euro USD is pushing up. CAD JPY looking good for a sell. We shall look at that in a second, my friend. Jeez, this is really pushing up. It's not even worth. It's pushed too quickly. We can't take it. We can't take it. It's literally, if it takes out this high, we cannot take it. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's annoying. Right. If I go on my stream, oh. Right, I can see it now. So if we go to the chat, just pull up the chat. I'm not in, Mark. No, I'm not in. And Elizabeth, thanks for reminding us. Red folder news in 5 minutes. Let's make this chat box a little bit cleaner. It looks dead tacky. So it might change now. Let's just... The time frame is the 5 minute. Right, so if we move this up a little bit, just above the play bar. Don't know why I've not done this before. I mean, you can take this if you want to, guys. It's still technically valid, but well, not anymore. But you could have took it at the close. Right, there you go. So now you should. You can't really see the text though. That's annoying. If I shrink the chat box. We'll just go back to the old one. Go back to the old one. USD Swiss franc for buys. Not the best. Oh, I mean, oh yeah, actually, I see what you mean, Dan. I see what you mean. We got this fair value gap being respected. The only thing is, it kind of goes against the draw on liquidity here, which is this one. We have a nice IFVG though. If you push up and inverse that, you could look for buys up to here. A little bit risky, you know, a long way away. Do I buy or sell? What do you mean? It won't let me open the chat panel on my laptop. Oh wow, massive gap up on here. Wow. News must have been bad, yep. Wow. That means this one's gone down, yep. Can anyone, right, someone in the chat, tell me, why did USD Swiss franc go down, but Euro USD went up? Not to do with the news. I want you to tell me about why one went up and one went down. Why didn't they go in the same direction? Can anyone tell me? It's too late to buy Euro USD. Oh, wow. Nice work, Zhang. Wow. We could have took that as well, guys, but I wimped out. Yeah, bad news. Yeah, exactly, Dan. Exactly, Dan. Exactly how Dan's just said, guys. It's because it's the base in one pair and the quote in the other. That's why one went up and one went down. It's the base currency here and it's the quoted here. So they have an inverse correlation. You're in CAD JPY. Nice. USD CAD looks good still. Nice work. Trump has definitely flipped these markets. Messing up the bias. The bias this week has just been messy. Really, really messy. Just really, really mixed on the daily. You know, on every market we've looked at. It's starting to get dark, I think. Let me turn the lights off. I mean, on. GU. Wow. This is the new hour as well, isn't it? This looks good, this, guys. This looks good. I think if we do get in, it would be this one as a full TP. And manage at these fair value gaps here. The only thing is that 1 hour fair value gap here. But then the 4 hour realistically has to retrace, should overpower the 1 hour. When we have red folder news, do you wait a few minutes or do you take a trade when you have opportunity? When we have red folder news, you kind of want to wait like 10, 15 minutes before, 10 minutes, 15 after. Close your trades if you're in them, typically. If it's big, like CPI and PPI, close your trades if you're in a trade when the news is going to come out. So like 10, 15 minutes before news, you'd close your trade. And then you wait 10, 15 after as well, just to kind of let news settle, pick a direction. And then if you find a trade that aligns with that, great. This is pushing up. The same issue here though, we don't want it to take the high out. If it takes one of these highs out, if it takes this high up here out, then the whole setup becomes invalid. No problem, Patricia. Right, let's get to 30 likes, guys. Come on, 30 likes. Let's get it. $30 likes, guys. Come on. I just realized I'm not even middle of this in the box. Oh, it's took the high out here. It's not really the best sign now because we can retrace and it would be expected. Let's get to 30 likes, guys. Come on, one more like. See, this just isn't the best setup. One more like, guys, come on. But yeah, it's not. Let's see how this closes. But I think either way, we can't really take this. Euro USD's done its job here. GU just floating around. Bitcoin. Ooh, I think we were looking at Bitcoin before, weren't we? GJ. Zeng, are you still here? This is absolutely melted down for you. Nice little AMD play here, guys. I really wanted to go on the jet skis today, but it started to rain. I know, raining in Cyprus. To be fair though, it is the middle of Feb. But no, it's the middle of winter. It's the start of Feb. But the weather's like, it's not too bad. You know what I mean? It's better than the UK, 100%. But right now it's 13 degrees, raining. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. 13, raining, sunset in 8 minutes. But I wanted to go on the jet skis today. I'll have to probably do it tomorrow. But potential sell on New Zealand USD. Now this is where we get a bit riskier, guys. I don't want to be going on to these random pairs. We still live? We still live? Let me know, guys. Are we still live? Can you hear me? It said reconnecting on the stream here. Right, I think we're back. Okay, we're back. I don't know what happened then. New Zealand USD. You know, you have to look at the fact that Euro USD's bullish, or supposed to be bullish. GBP USD as well. Mixed here. Swiss franc going down as well. I'm not seeing anything either way. Plus there's this gap here that we'd have to come back and fill. Yeah, I'm not sure what that was. Great. Yeah, we did. I'm not sure what that was. I think it might have been the Wi-Fi here. That was on my end there, guys. Sorry about that. But we're back. Honestly though, there's not much. Like, now we've had that news release, we've had that push. We could go to the 1 minute and get like a super scalp if we want to, but I'm not really feeling greedy, you know. Plus there's not much on the cards here. Oh, we could take this if we get the close. What do you guys think? Should we take this? If we get the IFG here, do you guys think we should take this or leave it? If we get an IFG in the next 2 minutes, guys, let me know in the chat what you think we should do. Should we take it or should we leave it? I'll do whatever the majority says. Leave it. Take it. Leave it, take it. If we get the IFG, yeah, we could do. We got everything back on us here, apart from the hourly. The only thing going against us here is the hourly. Yeah, I'm going to leave that. That is not the close we want to see at all. Right, guys. Honestly, we've found a good few positions, but they just haven't really played out how we wanted them to. They're not perfect. On USD CAD here, you know, we got a technical close, which is nothing we want to use. We don't really want to trade that. But yeah, that's me done, guys. Honestly, I got nothing else to do here. I've made my 4%, 3%, 4%. I think it's 3%, 2.9% here. Yeah, 2.9%. I've made my money. I've made my money today, you know. I'm done for the day. I can do whatever I want now. I'm going to go chill, enjoy Cyprus in the rain. I might go on a jet ski. I don't know if it'll be open, though, because it's not really the season for it, but we'll see how it goes. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my day, guys. I've got nothing else to share, but keep your eyes peeled for that new YouTube video. It's going to be out very, very soon. I think it may be out in, 2 hours. So in about an hour and 45 minutes, the new video is going to be out. So keep your eyes peeled for that. It's going to be the start of the psychology series. That's going to be every midweek, every Wednesday roughly. Every weekend, starting this weekend, we're going to have a nice longer video, uncut, in-depth, teaching you exactly everything you need to know about trading, really. We're going to be doing that psychology series, and there's going to be a vlog coming out soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that. If you enjoyed the stream, like the stream, let me know your thoughts. Unfortunately, we go again with the drought of stream trades. You know, there's no stream trades this week, unfortunately. But you know, we've looked at the positions. There's nothing here that's saying take this, take this. So we haven't took anything. You know, we've made our money. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my day. I have not done the tour vid yet, Big Deeds. I need to record it, to be fair, and then send it off for editing, but we'll get that nailed. I want to do a nice day in the life when the weather's really nice. Today it's a bit messy, so we'll see how it goes, guys. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Make sure to journal every single trade you took today, regardless if it was a mistake or an embarrassing loss. Journal it, reflect on it, go about your day. Come back tomorrow. We do the exact same thing. Hopefully we can take a trade. I'll see you all tomorrow, 2:30 p.m. GMT. Keep your eyes peeled for tonight's video, the start of the psychology series. Other than that, I've got nothing else to share. Like the stream if you haven't already. Take care, guys. Have a good rest.